Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a leaf painting little project. So we got our poster board here. So we got our leaves. We put them in these books to flatten them out. I got some tape. I'm going to put the tape on the leaves so Ari can put them on the poster board. And then we're going to paint them up. See how they look. Alright, so here's our canvas. Ari did a real nice job placing them. Now they're ready to go outside and get painted. So we're going to set up for that. Ari's already wearing her smock. So excited. There's our canvas so far. Coming along nicely. Canvas is coming along real nice. Looking good, Ari. Nice festive fall colors. Yeah, you still gotta paint that one. There's a few of them that still need to be painted. Let's get it done. Alright, so there's our canvas, all done being painted. Now we just gotta wait for the paint to dry, and we'll pull these leaves off and see how it looks. Alright, so the paint's pretty much dry, the leaves are ready to come off. So we're gonna take them off and see how this thing looks. And there's the finished painting. Turned out pretty good. The tape we used kind of pulled off some spots. I just used some regular Scotch tape. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this inspires you to do your own videos like this. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it if you think someone else might like it, and we'll see you next time.